So you open the box first. Take it out. Place this inside. Take it out. So when you get those out of the box, you can take those, the filters, and under the filters you will see these things. So when you take out the white plastic under this thing, you just put it, you just be careful with the sensor, and with this, you put it like that. Just be careful with that, you just use this space to enter inside, and up. You put everything like that, okay, and after you just turn. And when you're done with that, you put this filter here. You can see this thing is mobile, so you can put it. There is like 2 little balls inside, and you just put it. And just turn to find the little ball and filter tip. It's not moving anymore. Be careful, I don't use every strength you got, you're going to give for me. Done mounting the machine on ourselves, you can put the machine on some tube like that and fix it. We fix this literally like very fast with some like iron wire, but you can fix it with some chain and fix it in here and doing with some hooks, so it will be okay. So when your machine mount up and mount up in the air, you start to connect this machine to the gas bottle. So you connect this gas bottle with this bad boy normally to regulate the pressure, and to this machine from this place. When you got it, and it's connected, you open the gas bottle slowly, not like no rush. And when you open it, you verify there is no leak of gas here and here, and anywhere in the machine, but they will be tested over sure. You put the thermostat at the highest temperature, like this one is 60 degrees. You put it there at 60. You start to push this button with a lighter prepared, and so you push it, you light it, you will see some flames, you wait a bit, still pushing the button for 15 to 20 seconds. Wait a little bit, you will going to get red, okay? So you take you need to push the button, and after when it's done, you wait a little bit and you can regulate the temperature at whatever the temperature you want to have. When you're done, when you want to close this machine, there is no button, you just turn the bottle gas, turn it off, no gas, no fire, that's all. You have to mount this machine at 120 or 140 from the ground, and you have to put the sensor close to the animals, but of course without letting the animals touching it. And that's all. Thank you. Goodbye.